Well, water has this unusual property that it can take up any form. It can take the form of solid in the form of ice, it can take the form of liquid in the form of water, and it can also take the form of gas in the form of vapor. Well, around 70% of the Earth's surface is covered with water. And if you look at it closely, even the constitution of water in our body is pretty much the same. Quite mystical, isn't it? Well, studies have actually showed that water gets really influenced by your thoughts. Water has memory, water is a living consciousness, and anything that comes in contact with water, well, that leaves a trace upon it. There was this very famous Japanese scientist in the name of Dr. Emoto, and his studies have proved that when you sip your water and when you're in the right frame of mind, when you're thinking right, the water begins taking that molecular composition. So whenever you drink water, please make sure that you're very happy and you're filled with positive intentions. His study also showed that toxic or polluted water, when exposed to intentions and prayers, that water can be altered and restored. So that is the power of water. It's not just water, but water is miraculous. Water is magical. So whenever you drink water, please make sure that you have a lot of positivity, you have a lot of happy intentions going inside you, because this water would be carrying that information to your blood, to your cells. So today I would be taking you through different techniques on how you could energize your water and how you could heal yourself just by drinking water. So let's begin. So the first technique of energizing my water, this is something that I usually do it in the night. I take a copper vessel and I have a strong intent, or I just say an affirmation to my water, and I just leave it overnight. And the next morning when I wake up, the first thing that I do is I drink that energized water. The second technique is again energizing my water with an intent, but this time I'll be using an incense stick. So I have set a strong intent for my incense stick and I let the smoke from the incense stick sit near my water for a while. The third technique is energizing my water under the sun, simply just leaving a glass of water under the sun and just letting it be. Well, I really hope this video was informative for you. If you liked it, then please don't forget to subscribe.